What's going on, guys? It's Jay from Dirty Boy Tools, here to talk to you today about the newest addition to my Knipex tool pouch. This is the Deadwood Crafted Tools Woodworking Oiler Pen. I'm going to include a link below in the description. It's not an affiliate link. I won't get any money off of it. This is just the same link I use, link I used to buy this from Amazon. So if you guys are interested, right now it's running $11.99 on Amazon. I started using this a little bit, and I think this is really going to be a game changer. So one of the biggest things working in a manufacturing plant is you need oil. You need to carry around some oil sometimes. Oil up cylinders, oil up moving parts, because if they dry out, they stop moving, they stop working properly, they get snagged a little more. So having this oil delivery system in a pocket-sized, cylinder helps me out a ton. Because normally I'd come across a problem where I'd have to put oil on, and I don't have the bottle of oil. I got to go back and get it, come back out, put the oil on. It's too much. Having this on me in my pouch is going to be a serious game changer. So the way I put the oil on is I move this part, twist off cap. It's got an O-ring in it, and it's got a little rod that goes into the middle of it. That rod is what gets pushed down. If you can see, there's some light machine oil in there. So I'm going to put this back on. You can use whatever oil applies to your situation. For me, light machine oil or air motor oil, that stuff applies very well. If it's for households, if you have a big can of WD-40, you can put some in here, carry it in your pocket. I don't recommend WD-40 for machines or air cylinders or any of those types of things. Basically, all I have to do is take off the bottom portion of this pen, little O-ring seal there. If I take this off, I try to pour some oil out. There's no oil in there. The only time the oil comes out is when I click this portion of the pen. So I'm going to hold it up to the camera, and I hope this works. So I click that. Yeah, you can see a little bit of oil coming out. It's a plunger style system. So that little push out allows the oil to come out. And then, it's not a lot at a time. And of course, depending on the viscosity of the oil, it'll come out differently depending on what you have inside of it. This has so far been very helpful. I've saved me a trip to go back and get the bottle of oil. It has allowed me to apply with precision. It is a pinpoint applicator. I didn't really care about that because sometimes I'm a little reckless when I put on oil, but this has helped me put it on in the right place, and it's helped me control the amount I put on, so I'll be able to conserve more oil rather than just dousing with oil and letting the oil drip off it and get everywhere. So something I've been using recently, something I look forward to continuing to use, and something I recommend getting. Again, I'm going to put the link in the bottom. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just a regular link. Check it out if you're interested, because this is a good tool that can really help save you a lot of hassle. Let me know what you guys think, or if you have similar pinpoint oil delivery systems or any type of oil delivery system you have. I'd love to hear about it.